We're in the dining room this afternoon. It's a rotten day out there. It's
Grim.
It is grim. I'm not appearing on camera today because I don't feel like it. You saw enough of me last night on the live chat.
Well, you don't feel like it.
I don't.
Not well.
No, I don't feel too great, but I feel okay enough to film this for Paul. And as promised, it's going to be all about pumpkins.
Yeah.
So over to Paul. Paul, pumpkins.
Pumpkins.
Yes.
So today we are saving the seed from the Cheeky Prince. Now you may remember that the Cheeky Prince was a cross between an Uchiki curry and a Crown Prince pumpkin, which is why it's called a Cheeky Prince. So this is the one that we've chosen, that we're going to save the seed from. There's a number of reasons we've gone for this. A, it has much more of a Uchiki curry colour to it, but it's also got the Crown Prince shape, or more of the Crown Prince shape to it. It's really sort of quite heavy. If I just show you another one, you can see that this one's not quite as mature. Not quite as mature, but still absolutely edible. But because it's not as mature, and because it's not exactly what we want, we're going with this one here. So we're going to cut this open and start saving our seed. Erica from Erica's Little Welsh Garden did suggest that we do a Cheeky Prince challenge. So next year we are going to be growing Cheeky Prince, and if anybody wants some seeds from this Cheeky Prince to join in that challenge as well, then let us know. Many of you have already done so in the video that we did maybe about a month ago, or maybe even more. Some said in the live chat last night that they wanted. We've also had some emails saying that you want to take part. We've kept all of those names, and you will be receiving seeds from here. So it's time to cut this little beauty open.
I think really also maybe to say to people that we will need to get their addresses.
Yeah, we'll contact you to get your address because we can't send it to you otherwise.
Maybe we could suggest that people send us an email.
Oh yeah, you can send if you yeah, of course. If you have asked for seeds and you haven't emailed us already, or if we don't have your address, then send us an email to randp@richardandpaul.com. We'll put it in the details below, the email address and the details below as well. So,
okay, so
yeah.
You're going to do the ceremonial cutting open of the Cheeky Prince.
Yeah. Okay, so sharp knife. Tough skin. Make sure if you're doing this, you keep your fingers out of the way and turning it around.
I guess you could use a tea towel or something underneath it if you wanted to stop it from slipping, maybe.
Yeah, I mean this board is quite.
Yeah, but
sturdy,
the table
but
was.
If it wasn't.
The table was wobbling away there.
Yeah, well, the table will wobble.
So take care with this, people, if you're opening a pumpkin like this.
Okay. So let's see what we've got.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Plenty of seeds.
Yeah, decent amount of seeds. I've obviously cut some. Can you see that they're full seeds. They're fat seeds. Effectively, is what I'm saying. They're plump. That's it. Now, I know this is obvious, but let's just say now, when you are saving seeds, you never save something that you have cut through, because that will not grow. But what we're going to do now is scoop these out This is where your hands start going orange coloured. Pop them in a bowl here. What are we having tonight, Richard?
I don't know, Paul. What are we having tonight?
We're going to have something pumpkin.
Mm.
Let me just scoop those out. Yeah, I'm not quite sure. It looks as though we're going to have a really decent amount here. I'll pick those that have fallen off the floor.
So how many seeds could people expect to receive in their packet, do you think?
Well, we'll aim for 4 seeds. There might be, depending upon how many people want to take part, there may be more, but I think it's sensible to aim for 4 seeds, because then if some don't germinate, then well, if you've got 4 seeds, you're likely to have a good germination. At least one of those will germinate.
How many pumpkins would you get from one plant?
I would have thought, well, if you grow them like Vivi, about 1,000. But I think we get maybe 3. I'd look for 3 decent sized ones like that from each plant.
So you get 3 fruits from each plant?
Yeah.
Okay.
Each of these seeds, what we're going to do is just remove the seeds from the flesh, and then we're going to do that with all of these, and then dry them in a warm but not a hot room. We're going to allow them to dry out for 3 weeks, and then in the new year, when hopefully we've got everyone's addresses, we will be sending seeds out to you. So that's about it. Not much more to say, but it'd be interesting to see how the Cheeky Prince does next year.
Great. Okay, well thanks very much for that, Paul. That was very interesting. And yeah, we will see you all very, very soon. Bye for now.
Bye.